This is not the first time that crime figures in the West have left politicians calling for drastic measures, from state of emergency requests to resuming hanging.
We need to bring back hanging. And I don't know if the other 62 members of parliament that sits with me in the parliament, I know some have the same opinion that we should bring back hanging. But I would say to the people of this country, whether it is by referendum or otherwise, in terms of hanging, you need to call your member of parliament and you need to call the parliament.
The last person executed in Jamaica was Nathan Foster, who was convicted of murder and hanged in 1988, some 29 years ago. But Hales, who has had a number of murders in his constituency in recent weeks, reasoned.
Is either them kill us or we kill some of them to ensure that the majority of Jamaicans live, because they are killing us daily. They're killing the elderly, they're killing kids, they're killing babies, they're killing everything that they can put their hands on. So it's not human beings we're talking about killing, it's some animals that are amongst us. And I say here that pick up your phone, call the parliament of this land, 922-0200. Make sure 100,000 of us call by Friday to say enough is enough. Hanging must return to this country.
And while some are calling for more social intervention programs, the politician opined.
Some people will say that you need social intervention. Let's do all of that at the same time while we bring back hanging. Enough is enough. Hundreds and thousands of our citizens have been killed, and not one man have gone to the gallows. Not one man has given his life for the life that he has taken. So I bury 6, I bury 4, I bury 2, I bury 1, I bury families, and yet still not one person have suffered with the loss of their life.
Nika Lewis, CVM News.